Hi, my name is Srikar and I'm a rising senior at Limerick High School. My project is home automation with Amazon's Alexa. Now for my second milestone, I've taken apart the original schematic diagram which had a DHT22 sensor and a couple of LEDs. In the original schematic, Alexa was able to read out the temperature of the room. Now I've replaced those two with actually a dust density sensor, and for demonstration purposes. Hey Alexa, can you open particle dust?
Particle is open.
Alexa, what is the density of the dust?
Dust density is 1090 micrograms per meter cubed. This means that the dust density is low enough to be ignored for people who are sensitive to air quality.
Alright, so just like before, this dust density sensor reads a variable and sends that to the particle photon microcontroller, which then puts that variable in the cloud where Alexa is given the location of that variable and is able to read out the variable that was given. For those of you who weren't able to catch what Alexa said, she actually gave the dust density in micrograms per meter cubed, and also based on a number recommended by allergen specialists, she recommended whether people who are allergic or sensitive to air quality should step out of the room or not. Likewise, if we were to use this in a much more dusty environment, Alexa's speech might have changed to, if you are sensitive to air quality, it's better for you to leave the room. So, what I like to do for my next milestone is using either the Google Drive API or iOS reminders is to actually be able to chart the different dust densities of different locations so that you can ask Alexa what the dust density at a certain location is, and she'd be able to give that to you. Because as of now, she can only tell the dust density of the room that the particle microcontroller is in, as well as the dust density. But I like to keep track of all these variables and their corresponding locations so that users can use their Alexa to access the cloud and find the dust densities of different locations.